Hi everyone, Mark from Brave Auto International in Japan. It's a Thursday afternoon. I'm checking some cars for some customers that are coming up for tomorrow's auction. This is not one of them. This is actually just a car that I've walked past. It's actually this is the damaged section. Basically, you probably know what this is. It's Back to the Future. This is a DMC DeLorean, and it's rather sad to see it like this. This is basically, from what I can work out looking at it, is an undamaged car that's just been abandoned, and it's probably sat outside for years. It won't rust because the panels are stainless, but yeah, it's done 385 miles from new.
Great Scott! I know, this is heavy.
Unbelievable, absolutely unbelievable. And whoever owned this needs to be shot. Sad state that's in. I don't know much about the DeLoreans. All I know is they were made in Ireland, I think, and the company owner didn't make many of them. The company owner got done for fraud or something, and the company went under or something like that anyway. How sad is this, you know? It's obviously, it's been sitting, obviously you can tell. I don't know where half the levers are to open things, so I can't work out how to get into the engine bay here, but I can tell it's been sitting for a long time. You know? It would either make a good parts car or to restore it. That, you know, just flat tyres, original alloys, you know, you've got stuff like this, you know, original seat caps. Obviously the glass here doesn't work properly. Good funny thing is the gas struts are still strong, you know, they're holding that up. You know, look at that, it's just from sitting outside. Obviously some trim and all that's missing from in there. Catalyst on it. If you want to know what if it ever turns up on the market, there is the VIN number. Okay. The seat just deteriorated with sun. You know, same there. This is not from wear, this is just sun damage deteriorating it. Same on the steering wheel, all sun damage. Dash is cracked. Okay, look in there. I'm not going to see it. 385 Ks, and it says on the auction sheet it's not questioned either. And the funny thing is pedals have got no wear, floor mats got no wear. It's definitely original mileage. It's just been abandoned, you know, set outside. What it was I've seen this a few times with DeLoreans, and you know, when sort of Back to the Future movie came out, you know, the Japanese, some Japanese have got too much money, and you know, they wanted one. And then when something breaks on them, you know, it could have been something where they couldn't get it to go. In the end, it's been sitting around me on the garage. They just lose interest, you know, and park it outside and leave it out there to rot. It's really sad. I've seen this with other model car, you know, other different types of cars. Like we've got a Lotus Esprit, which I'll show you in a second. Just over here, it's in the same condition, you know. Okay, let's close that down. Really sad to see. You know, like I said, it'd be a good car for parts. It's got these lights here, they're actually sitting inside, the side lights. It's all there, you know, the spoiler around the front there is good, you know. How old the tyres are, you know, cracks in them. This is just really sad to see. Let's see if this door here works up. Maybe locked. All the struts are weak on it. You see all the dust and dust that's been coming in through here, sitting in the back here. You know, tail lights, or the panel across the back here is good. You know, it's not, tail lights aren't broken. Anyway, you know, it's got the aerial there, it's bent. It's still there. This trim here is missing, I don't know where that is. Okay, anyway, yeah.